कॉमस्कोर नुसार आता isakal.com आहे देशातील नंबर 1 ची मराठी न्यूज वेबसाईट। प्रत्येक अपडेटसाठी isakal.com ला नक्की भेट द्या।
Parents of Goa who are very concerned about our children's future and school starting in the 1st of April. We have seen the Chief Minister openly saying, though the cases in court, that schools are going to open on the 1st of April. It's all out in the newspaper and all parents are concerned and worried. To that, we have started digging into and finding out whether the teachers have done their objections, whether the principals have done their objections, and to our knowledge, I have got a representation right in front of me where the Teachers Association have given a detailed explanation about the suggestions and objections for not starting schools in April. Plus, the principals also, the Headmasters Association, yesterday submitted their letter about the objections and suggestions. Also, where they said that they too hardly had any time, as the gazette was put out on the 13th, to collectively get information from all the principals of the government aided as well as the government schools for their feedback. And to what I will bring down some points which also the principals have highlighted, and this is something that even our government and the education department should keep a track of, that they also have highlighted that the heat is going to be very terrible in the month of April, May as per the IMDA circulation that has been out. Plus, the infrastructure is not sufficient. On top of that, the principals have also asked long time back for infrastructure funds from the government because they know that they have to upscale their schools in terms of having more fans, having a better water supply, in the campus, also for upgradation of the ground facilities. For now, those funds of the infrastructure funds have still not gone to so many schools, and the principals are begging for those funds which have not been released. Thirdly, the teachers are appointed on contract basis from June to April, on contract basis. So the demand of the principals are permanent staff NOCs have to be released. This is a mandatory thing which is not being done by the government.